Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today I want to go over Churchill Capital Corp and its stock ticker is CCIV. And the reason why I chose this company is because on July 22nd, they are actually merging with Lucid Motors and I see some bullish potential happening here because of it. Also, I saw in the fundamentals that this stock, which is currently trading at about $25, is going to be worth by end of the year possibly in the 50s and within 3 years, 150. Those are really good returns on a long-term investment. This is not a short-term play for me personally. So let's dive in. Here we have it zoomed out. We're on the weekly chart. As we see, it was very, very flat and flaccid those few weeks. And then we had this big boost of energy. And then we came back down and hit about halfway back down. What I think is happening here is that right here, we have found our bottom, which is very important to have that bottom. And we are now recovering. The stock is telling us that we're recovering on the long term. It's 70 over 60. The RSI is at 57.12, which means that it's in a good steady area to continue another move up. Zooming in a little bit further, let's dial into the daily. On the daily, we're still seeing the same information that we saw on the weekly, but what I'm also seeing here that I thought was very interesting is that we could be on the way of creating a cup. If we get price action to continually to grow up to around here in this range of 51, expect to see a little tail here and then another push, which is what those financial advisors were saying, that it might hit 150 and so forth, which is exciting for me personally. I feel that down here we have a double bottom. Here we hit, and then here we hit again around 1723. I think that's the low point for this stock. Right here we have a low, the lowest low, but then we have a new higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, which I think we're gonna level out possibly around the 24.52 range before we then try to retest 30. And that does make sense with the trajectory, considering that on July 22nd, we have that merge happening. And I think that we might see a little pop because of that, which would be really awesome. The RSI for currently is at 56.15. It has come down, but I think it can do a reversal coming back up. Stock is saying it's down for right now, which we're seeing in these three candles. Can it come down a little bit further? Yes, but we already said 24.50 is probably where it's going to, take solace for a little while and then bounce back up. On the hourly, we took a hard hit today, but which makes me feel that it is an appropriate time to possibly get in and buy if you don't already own. The hourly is telling me that right now is a good opportunity. It's a good dip to buy because right here is the previous lowest low. And look at that, around right here is 24.20. So I was saying price action might, stop around here, 24.50. That's perfect. So you might get an extra 20 cents difference, but it's a good opportunity right now to hop in. That stock on the hourly is looking like it's flatline along the bottom area of, where is that? At 21.62. It's still in a bullish signal over 19. And the RSI looks like it's ready to hook back up and do some awesome things. That is my update on CCIV. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and subscribe. That way I know what content you guys want me to deliver. The more likes I get for our CCIV, the more videos I'll be able to do on it because I know you guys are watching it and it's proving to be helpful to you. I hope you had a great week and let's go make some money.